Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's video, I will show you how to make the perfect Nigerian egg rolls. In a pot, I will add the eggs, add water. I'll cook the eggs for 15 minutes on a medium heat. Once the eggs are ready, remove them from the pot. Transfer them to ice cold water to stop the cooking process and to make it easy to peel the eggs. Pat the peeled eggs dry with paper towel. Next, these are some of the ingredients which I'll be using for this recipe. In a large bowl, I will measure in 4 cups of flour, sugar, powdered milk, you can use any milk of your choice, salt, baking powder. I'll be adding in a little bit of dried pepper to this recipe because I want it spicy and this is optional. Next, I will grate in some nutmeg. You can use any flavor of your choice. Whisk the dry ingredients together. In another bowl, I will crack in 2 eggs. Whisk the eggs together. To the dry ingredients, add melted butter, eggs, water. Mix them together until they are well combined. And all ingredients, they are at room temperature. I will take out the wicks and I'll be working with my clean hands. Add the water gradually until you get a nice dough. So I'll knead the dough a bit, and you don't want to over knead the dough so that the egg roll doesn't get too strong. Cover it and leave it to rest for 10 minutes. Next, in a pan, I will add some oil and start heating it up. It's been 10 minutes. I will knead the dough for about a minute or 2. And transfer it to a work surface. I'll divide the dough and cut them into the portion I'm going to be working with. Next, flour the work surface. I'll place the cut dough and roll it out. Place the cooked egg on the dough, wrap it and seal it very well so it doesn't open while frying it. So for egg rolls, they always try to open, so you want to make sure they are nicely sealed. Remove any excess dough and roll it properly until it is well sealed like so. And I'll put that aside. So another way I like to roll them, I'll just flour my palm, place the dough, flatten it with my palm. Place the egg and cover it very well until it is well sealed. And this is how you seal your egg rolls. So I have everything nicely done. It's time to fry the egg rolls. Check the oil temperature if it's hot. Once the oil is hot, add the egg rolls and fry them on a medium heat. If the oil is too hot, it's going to open, so you have to fry egg rolls on a medium heat. From time to time, flip the egg rolls so they can fry nicely without getting burnt. In this video, I'm going to be showing you another method you can enjoy your egg rolls without deep frying them. I'll keep flipping them until they are ready. Once they are nice and ready, take them out of the hot oil. Transfer them to a strainer that is lined with paper towel to take out any excess oil from the egg rolls. The fried egg rolls are ready and they tasted so delicious. The second method, I will be using air fryer. I will transfer the egg rolls inside the air fryer pan. Brush them with oil to prevent them from drying out. I will air fry them for about 20 to 25 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Once they are ready, I'll take them out. And this is what the air fried egg rolls looks like. They tasted so delicious as well. You hardly know the difference between these ones and the fried ones. And they are ready. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed. I will see you in my next video.